For number 9, the polynomial 6x blah 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 is denoted by px, where a and b are constant. It's given that x negative 3 is a factor of px, p of x, okay? And then when the first derivative of p prime of x is divided by x negative 3, the remainder is 72. Find the values of a and b. Okay, first of all, we need to know, ya ini adalah key pointnya x negative 3. And then we have a remainder for the derivative. So first of all, let's just input x equals to 3. By right, this equation will give you 0 if it is a factor. So 6 times 3 cubed plus a times 3 square plus b times 3 plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so this way you can we can get 9a plus 3b equals to negative 171. So this is our first equation. Then the second equation we get from the derivative. Okay, so the p prime of x, that is 18x squared plus 2ax plus b. Okay, now we have to input x equals to 3. Yeah, so this is 18 times 3 square plus 2 times a times 3 plus b. This equals to 72. So that is 162 plus 6a plus b. Ya, jadi 6a plus b, that is equals to negative 90. So this is our second equation. Now we have both the first and second. Yeah, so 6a plus b equals to negative 90. So 9a plus 3b equals to negative 171. So we just eliminate. I will get the a equals to negative 11 and the b would be negative 24. Okay, so that is the answer for a, 9a. Okay, and then b. Okay, when a and b have this value, okay, then we need to factorize completely. To factorize, I just use the long division. Yeah, 6x cubed, negative 11x squared, negative 24x, which is the one that we just get, plus 9x negative 3. Yeah, why we divide by x negative 3? Because as the question said previously that x negative 3 is the factor. Yeah, jadi is a factor of px. Okay, so we can divide by that and expect the final result to be 0. Yeah, the remainder would be 0. Yeah, so we need to find the quotient. So first, 6x squared. So here we have 6x cubed minus 18x squared. Then we have 7x squared, negative 24x. I use plus 7x. So 7x squared, negative 21x. So we have negative 3x plus 9. So we have here negative 3. 0. Okay, now so the quotient that we are looking for is 6x squared plus 7x negative 3, and then just now the other factor will be x negative 3. Okay, so the next part we just have to factorize 6x squared plus 7x negative 3. That would be 2x plus 3 and 3x negative 1. So, sorry. Yeah, so we have all three factors. This is the final answer for B. Ya, jadi 2x plus 3, 3x negative 1, and x negative 3. Next we have C. Solve inequality of px less than 0. So we have x equals to negative 2 over 3, x equals to 1 over 3, and x equals to 3. Okay, so we just rearrange. Sorry, 3 over 2, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, 3 over 2. So rearrange. Negative 3 over 2, we have 1 over 3, and we have 3. Okay, let's check. For 0, yeah, if let's say we input 0 to here, so we have positive, negative, negative. Yeah, so positive times negative, we get positive. So 0 would be here. And then here negative, positive, negative. Since we need less than 0, okay, dia mau minta less than 0, then we have to use x less than negative 3 over 2, and then x is in between 1 over 3 and 3. Okay, so that is the final answer for C.